Hello boys and girls, this is Mohit Agarwal here and this video I am making for my lovely CMA students. This is a huge announcement for all the CMA students, all the levels. What I have done is, all the latest revision videos, amendment videos for all the three levels, CMA Foundation, CMA Inter, CMA Final, I have bifurcated and made a playlist for them so that the students who are having some problem in searching the revision videos and the amendment videos, and they were having doubt that which video to watch for the upcoming exam, which video not to watch for the upcoming exam, all those problems have been sorted by me. I have made a particular playlist for CMA Foundation, a unique playlist for CMA Inter, a unique playlist for CMA Final. All the videos relevant for your term, which includes all the amendment videos that you have to watch, all the revision videos, latest revision videos, marathon videos that is relevant for your upcoming exams. I have put them in a particular playlist. So 3 playlists I have made, one for CMA Foundation, one for CMA Inter and one for CMA Final. Only those videos you will have to watch for the upcoming exam for your revision purposes and amendment purposes, right? So where to get those playlists from? The playlists are given in the description box of this video. So do visit the description box of this video and check out the playlist, and do download the app of MEPL classes, because lot of revision content and revision notes are freely available on the app MEPL classes. The app name is MEPL classes, not MEPL. The entire name of the app is MEPL classes. You can easily download it from Google Play Store. Okay, and keep the channel subscribed, and if you haven't, hit the bell icon, because I do not want that you miss out on any of the important videos notification. And more such revision videos will come for you guys, and for CMA exams, especially when the pattern of examination is clarified by CMA Institute, we'll be making more revision videos according to the revised pattern for you guys. Okay, till then, take care and keep studying, and make the most of this playlist. Thank you, bye bye, lots of love.